Hello everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do the cat eyeliner on my hooded eyes. I have other eyeliner tutorials on my channel like wing eyeliner, foxy eyeliner, or puppy eyeliner with different techniques. You can check it out later if you're interested. I will put the links in the description box below. Now let's get started. I use NYX Cosmetics Prep and Prime 24-hour Extend Eye Base to prime my lids. Put it all over my lids, then set it with the RCMA No Color Powder. You can use concealer to prime if you have discoloration on your eyelids. Just remember to set it with powder to prevent creasing. Moving to eyeliner, I always recommend using gel liner for beginners, but I see a lot of people prefer using eyeliner pen. So today I'm gonna show you how I do it using this eyeliner pen from Merzy. It's a Korean brand. If you couldn't find this one, I recommend the Physician Formula eyeliner. They both have the same flexible thin brush tips, which really help to create super sharp and precise liner. Now I put the mirror in front of me at eye level, then lower it a little bit and look down. Next, I create the flick, extending my lower lash line. With hooded eyes, it's best to not interfere with the hood when drawing eyeliner. So just draw the flick lower than the hood and you will be fine. Then I draw a line to connect the flick to my upper lash line, but I do not draw at the end of the flick. I start about halfway of the flick and drag it until I reach the pupil, and then fill in the gap. I don't usually drag my liner up to my inner corner. As with hooded eyes, I don't have lots of lid space, so I still want to see it, not cover it up with the liner. It's more flattering on me that way. You just go for it if you like, but remember to keep it really thin and close to the lash line. After that, I thicken the wing just a tiny bit. As for the cat eyeliner, we want a thick base and a super thin and sharp wing. With this technique, we can easily achieve that. And there, I just finished one side. Moving to the other side, repeat every step. Don't forget to step back and check if the flicks on both sides are the same length and direction, not one high and one low. If you make a mistake, just remove and redo the flick until you're happy with it. That's why I always start at the flick first. It's the hardest part of drawing eyeliner, and you don't have to remove the whole liner to start over if you mess up. And if you get the flick right, it just takes seconds to finish the rest of the liner. After I'm done with the liner, I'm gonna tie line my upper waterline with the NYX Slide on eye pencil in jet black. This step will complete the eyeliner, make it look more cohesive and define my eyes without taking any lid space. If you cannot see the waterline, use the handle of a small brush to lift your eyelid up for easier application. Then I curl my lashes and put on the mascara fixer from Etude. This will help my Asian straight lashes hold the curl better. And then I apply the Maybelline Lash Sensational waterproof mascara. I hope this will help you have a good eyeliner day. I know it's not easy to ace it the first time you try, but with practice, everything will get easier. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.